Welcome back to American Arms Channel, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Drake. A quick hit for you today. I get a lot of questions every time I post 10 gauge content or hunting videos that include this particular shotgun. This is my Mag-10 Deluxe, my Ithaca Mag-10 Deluxe. And that is because, one, it's a semi-unique looking Mag-10. It has a non-standard looking pistol grip, really pretty stock, white line butt pad, and this up here. So not only is it a very attractive looking gun, part of the reason I bought it of course, but it does look different, shorter barrel, so on and so forth, and people always ask me what choke system I have in it and how I got a choke system in it. Well, I purchased this gun as it was already set with the wood furniture and the shortened barrel. This is about a 27.5, 28-inch barrel. And it had a extended modified choke tube in it when I purchased it. And this choke tube is actually a Briley Thinwall series choke tube. The barrel cut down and reaming for chokes was performed by Briley Manufacturing. And so I actually had them make me 2 more chokes. I have a light full and an extra full. They will only go down to, with their standard orders, 0.735 inch constriction for the 10 gauge, and that is just fine because it's about all you need in one of these Mag-10s. Now this is a series 16B and it is the VX series. They now just have series 16B. VX stood for all shot types, so hard shot types like tungsten and steel were acceptable in it, as well as buckshot. Now, I have, through these modified light full and full, extra full chokes, I should say, utilized buckshot, slug, steel shot, bismuth, and lead. And out of all the 10 gauges I own, this Mag-10 consistently performs the best with the Briley choke system. And it is so, let me show you this real quick. These are so well manufactured and they are so precise that when you take them out, and this, you know, it's not uncommon, but when you take these guys out, just beautiful rings, super concentric, well polished, very, very beautiful choke. Now, my understanding is they do not have a standard listing for extended versions of this any longer. I am sure if you got in contact with them, they would produce them for you. But they do offer the barrel cutting, barrel reaming services, whatever you want to do to your Mag-10 or other fixed choke shotgun that would require a thin wall choke system to install one in it. They would be able to help you out. But yeah, that is the choke system. It is a Briley Manufacturing Series 16B. And it really does make this Mag-10 hold up with any of the modern quote-unquote 10 gauges with a choke system in it. And I think it can out-pattern just about any 10 gauge you want to throw it against, unless it's another one with a Briley choke system in it. If you have any questions about 10 gauge stuff, guys, or just more about this particular Mag-10 Deluxe, leave them in the comments below or write me at AmericanArmsChannel@gmail.com. As always, God bless, keep your powder dry. Christ is Lord.